Welcome back. Today, we will be explaining about a very important topic for any organization. That is SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a powerful tool used to assess internal strengths and weaknesses as well as external opportunities and threats. It's like a strategic magnifying glass, helping you understand where you stand and where you can go. Let me first tell you about internal and external factors. Let's begin with what are internal factors. Internal factors refer to the characteristics and resources within your organization that directly influence its operations and performance. These factors are completely within the organization's control. And what are external factors? External factors are elements outside the organization's control that have an impact on its operations, market position, and success. These factors arise from the industry climate and the broader business environment. Now I am going to explain you about strength in SWOT analysis. Strengths represent the positive and internal factors that give your organization an edge over competitors and help you achieve your goals. They highlight areas where you excel and resources you can leverage to your advantage. There are some key things when you are talking about strengths. Internal and controllable, brand reputation, unique expertise, loyal customer base, talented workforce. Now here I am going to explain you about weakness. Weaknesses represent the negative internal factors that hinder your organization's performance and competitiveness. They are areas where you fall short compared to others or aspects that limit your ability to achieve your goals. Identifying and addressing weaknesses is crucial for improvement and strategic growth. Weaknesses include some points to remember. Negative attributes, outdated technology, inadequate resources, poor financial health, skill gaps within the team. Now here I am going to explain you about opportunities. In a SWOT analysis, opportunities represent positive external factors that your organization can leverage to achieve its goals and gain a competitive advantage. These are trends, conditions, or situations outside your control but which you can capitalize on if you act strategically. Here are some key points that can highlight opportunities. Emerging markets, changing consumer trends, technological advancements, positive shifts in regulations, new gaps in the market you could fill. Lastly, now here I am going to explain you about threats. In a SWOT analysis, threats represent negative external factors that can harm your organization's performance and hinder its progress. These are potential obstacles or challenges beyond your control that could negatively impact your goals and aspirations. Here are some key points to remember about threats. Intense competition, economic downturns, disruptive technologies, changing regulations, negative shifts in consumer behavior. Now let us discuss SWOT with an example. For this explanation I'm taking the body shop for example. Let's first talk about strength. 1. Franchise network. Let's talk about the Body Shop's impressive franchise network. Boasting over 2,200 stores globally and a presence in 55 countries, this beauty giant has established itself as a global powerhouse. 2. Brand loyalty. The Body Shop has cultivated a remarkable sense of brand loyalty. Their legion of devoted customers extends beyond traditional transactions. Online communities have flourished, where beauty enthusiasts share tips, support one another, and express unwavering loyalty to the brand. 3. Sustainability. The Body Shop stands out in the beauty industry for its unwavering commitment to sustainability. Beyond just products, their campaigns addressing issues like animal cruelty have resonated with like-minded consumers. Second, we will move to weakness. The weakness of Body Shop are 1. High prices. Let's start with one of the issues that has posed a challenge for the Body Shop: high prices. Initially, the founders believed that customers would be willing to pay a premium for their natural products, and it worked for a time. However, in today's competitive market, maintaining higher prices has become a hurdle. 2. Slow services. Their stores, often situated in bustling areas, have grappled with the challenge of providing swift and efficient service to customers. 3. Supply chain. While the Body Shop boasts a robust supply chain in the United Kingdom, challenges arise when it comes to their stores outside the UK. Efficiency becomes a key concern, and in this segment, we'll examine the intricacies of the Body Shop's supply chain struggles beyond their home base. Third, we will move to opportunities. 1. Growing importance for health. There's a significant shift in consumer behavior. More and more people are becoming health conscious, especially when it comes to the cosmetics they use. Customers are hesitating to embrace products with potentially harmful chemical ingredients. 2. Building omnichannel supply chain. The Body Shop stores bustling with customers. While this is fantastic, it also presents a challenge. To ensure a seamless customer experience and reach a wider audience, the body shop needs to expand its channels. 3. Advertising in the digital age. The body shop relied heavily on word-of-mouth marketing and customer retention, skimping on advertising costs. Fast forward to today's digital age, where the landscape has transformed with the rise of Google Ads and social media promotions. Lastly, let's talk about threats. 1. Changing customer preferences. Customer behavior is dynamic. No one can predict what customers think at a point in time. People are tending towards natural beauty and lessening their use of cosmetics as few are perceiving it to be fake. 2. Heavy competition. There are thousands of cosmetics brands these days across the globe. Differentiation would be a difficult task. There is competition in every segment like pricing, products, supply chain, etc. 3. Accumulating raw materials. The body shop gathers its raw materials from across the globe. So, if there is some disturbance in the producing country or difficulty in supply chains would disturb the manufacturing. With the help of SWOT, any organization's key points can be highlighted for easy observation. With this, I assume everyone can have a clear idea as to what is SWOT analysis. This are reference taken for this videos. Always remember to save your presentation. Finally, with this video anyone can understand SWOT analysis. Stay tuned for similar videos. Until next time, good luck.